Here's a quick demonstration of the BearForce Foam Cannon I bought from Amazon. I'm going to be using Turtle Wax Ice Snow Foam Wash with it, and it recommends to add 1 ounce of soap to 16-ounce bottle of water, or for heavier foam up to 6 ounces per 32 ounces of water. I'm using 3 ounces of the soap in this 1 liter or 33-ounce bottle. The foam cannon came with a 1.1 millimeter orifice that I put in to use since I'm using a 1400 psi pressure washer. I had the 0.6 liter or the 20-ounce bottle for a while, but I had to refill it in order to foam this entire car, so I decided to buy the bigger one. Gotta rinse it off first with some water. The soap has been sitting on the car for about a minute now, and this is what it looks like.